This is the video right here. This is where we drag race the Jeep and the go-kart.
No way.
Yeah, it's this video. Yeah, I know. Well, we can't do it today, but you guys won't notice that because
Gotcha.
the magic of editing.
I'm trying pumpkin spice.
Oh, you smell like pumpkin spice.
I smell like the old girl's uvula.
You smell like the back of a basic girl's mouth, man.
That weird white stuff on someone's tongue. Okay, don't put that.
Yeah, I'm putting that in there. In the meantime, we're gonna make the Jeep go a little bit faster. I'm gonna put in the original weights right there. And I'm also gonna put in this fresh belt. I bought one before, but it was the wrong size, so you guys know the deal. Tearing apart the side cover, putting a belt on, putting some weights in. It's the next day. It is way colder out today, but it's not raining. So the drag race is happening today. So far, we have gotten the Jeep inside. Since the battery's bad, we're just gonna probably bring the jump pack with us. Don't need a battery for this thing. It was sitting outside, so it's really cold. So right now we're just kind of letting it soak in some of the heat from the shop. We got the heat working. We're just kind of letting some warmth soak into the engine here to get this thing running again. I just put some fresh fuel in it. But there's one thing that we got to do because it is absolutely filthy. Turns out when you let your go-kart sit outside for months on end, it gets really nasty when the rain splashes the dirt up onto it from the bottom, and then it just fills up with leaves, and it's gross, yeah. We could just ride it and it would all blow off, but I'm gonna blow all this off preemptively. Oh yeah. Now we just need to wait for Mason to get here, and then we can go racing.
I got smoked. I got smiggity smoked.
That was fun!
We're headed back to the shop. There's too many cars out here now. For some reason,
Yeah, apparently it's a traffic jam in the middle of the country.
I can't believe the headlight.
When did that happen? Just when
I
you
think-
hit that big bump?
I think when I hit that big bump, yeah.
I noticed it right after that.
Plonk. Good thing those wires are heavy duty.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing tore it up in the dirt there.
Yeah, no, I was surprised.
That was pretty sick.
Something smells burning.
Yeah, is it on that?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, so we just got back. That was really, really fun. You guys know we like to talk about the products for the scooters. Well, this is just as exciting. I love getting new camera equipment, and this little thing, I've been wanting one for a long time and I finally got one. What it is a GoPro mount for your helmet. It like sits right here. You guys saw the footage. This thing is sweet. I love this. That angle that you get from like the driver's seat, it's just a little thing. I mean, but it makes all the difference. It's better than, I've always had the GoPro on the side of the helmet here, and you see the side of the helmet and it's never ever tipped, you know, quite right. I'm either too far down, so it's kind of hard to watch because you can't see the horizon, and it's like where are we going kind of thing, and there's not much happening. Or I either have it too high and then you can't see what's going on down below, which is important too. So this thing is going to solve all of those issues. If you guys have GoPros and stuff and you like a different angle, try one of these things. If you don't have like a mount on the front or a way to do it, the thing is super grabby. It's really nice. It's super steady too. Like I thought when I got it out of the box, I was like, oh no, like this isn't gonna work, and then I put it on the helmet and it just rock steady the entire time. I hope this was a cool little bit of the video. If you guys want us to talk more about like the things we use, we can do that. I've been thinking about implementing that into the videos. Just talk about like maybe the tools we use a lot, or like the camera equipment we use. If you guys are interested in that kind of thing, leave a comment down below, because it'd be easy for us to talk about that stuff too, and not just like the parts we buy for the things we're working on. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead, leave that in the comments. More than happy to talk about it. More than happy to leave a reply for you, message you back down in the comments. So now let's go talk about what happened. So that was the outcome of the drag race between the Jeep and the go-kart.
The go-kart did so good, it's winking.
Yeah.
It's like, yo, I smoked that four-wheeler.
The four-wheeler had it off the line for quite a while though. Like a lot of the race.
I was like, yeah. No.
Yeah, the go-kart takes a minute to get up to speed. It's just still fast.
That thing smells funky too. The clutch might still be.
I wonder if it's
broken.
that belt.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Yeah, that new belt. The first thing we do is drag race with the new belt in the Jeep.
It wide open for 5 minutes before we raced to get to the race. And I was like, oof.
We just cooked it. Now we know. That's the result for the big race. There's definitely going to be more content with this stuff coming. Like, the Jeep is the funnest thing in the wintertime.
Yeah.
It's amazing. And
Good time.
if you guys remember, we have those off-road tires for the go-kart. And I ordered the adapters for the hubs.
Sweet.
So those are going to be here shortly. As soon as snow hits, both of these things will be
hopefully
ripping.
it just gets cold for a while and we can just drive it on the ice somewhere.
That's true, yeah. Hopefully that is the case, because ice with that would be
There's only
so
like
much fun.
in Minnesota, sometimes there's like a 2-week span of where you have no snow, but all the lakes are frozen. It's kind of sketchy, but it makes for some really cool ripping. You make some cool designs with this. Are they just off-road, or they have studs in them?
They have studs in them.
They do have studs.
Yeah, so we're going to put some new studs, because the ones in there are like just panhead screws.
Man, that'd be
which-
fun.
Yeah, this thing would be an absolute riot.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah, it would.
I wonder what we could do to the Jeep. You think we could sink some short screws into the tread?
I don't know if I'd take that thing out there. I think heavy.
Well, that's like, yeah, you're right. It's probably not the same. I mean, the front end of the go-kart's, yeah, it's probably 3-4 times the weight.
I'd say it's probably at least twice as heavy as the go-kart.
Maybe when there's a little bit of snow and the ice has been there for a while. If we can
I
get
feel safer with you driving it on then. Yeah.
We'll maybe we wait until somebody plows us a nice path. But that's what you guys can expect for the future.
Thanks for watching, guys. It was this was fun. So leave it down in the comments below. What do you guys want to see us race next? More skank content coming too. We're gonna put a ski on the front of that thing and get it ready. We're gonna get a new torque converter for it, and it's gonna be ready for winter when the snow flies. So lots of new stuff coming. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.